Are you stuck in the age-old dating dilemma of chasing after women, only to be met with disappointment or rejection? It's a frustrating cycle that many men find themselves trapped in. But what if we told you there's a better way? A way that involves harnessing your masculinity, honing your character, and having women pursue you instead. In this video, we're going to break down the art of not chasing women and instead letting them chase you. Why are we chasing in the first place? Before we dive into the secrets of letting women chase you, let's explore why so many men feel the need to chase after women in the first place. It often stems from societal pressure, insecurities, or a lack of understanding about what truly attracts the opposite sex. Societal pressure, from movies to magazines. Society bombards us with images of men pursuing women relentlessly. It's a romanticized notion that has led many men to believe that chasing after women is the only way to win their affection. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Insecurities. Insecurities play a significant role in the chasing game. Men who lack confidence in themselves and their abilities often resort to chasing as a way to prove their worth to potential partners. However, this approach often backfires and only reinforces feelings of inadequacy. Misunderstanding attraction. One of the most common misconceptions is that women are attracted to men who chase them. While a bit of pursuit can be flattering, an overwhelming pursuit can be a major turnoff. Understanding what truly attracts women is the key to letting them chase you. The power of embracing your masculinity. Now that we've explored why chasing is counterproductive, it's time to delve into the first step of the transformation, embracing your masculinity. Contrary to popular belief, masculinity is not about being overly dominant or aggressive. It's about being confident, self-assured, and authentic in your interactions with women. Confidence is key. Confidence is undeniably attractive. When you exude confidence, you become magnetic to those around you. Confidence is not about arrogance, but about knowing your worth and being comfortable in your own skin. Authenticity matters. Women can spot inauthenticity from a mile away. Pretending to be someone you're not is a surefire way to drive women away. Embrace your true self, quirks and all, and watch as women are drawn to your authenticity. Assertiveness, not aggressiveness. Being assertive is different from being aggressive. While assertiveness shows that you have boundaries and are willing to communicate your needs, aggressiveness can be intimidating. Strike the right balance to keep women interested. Building character, the foundation of attraction. Now that you're on your way to becoming a more confident and authentic version of yourself, it's time to focus on character development. Building a strong character is like laying the foundation for an attractive personality that women can't resist. Honesty and integrity. Honesty and integrity are qualities that stand the test of time. Be a man of your word, and women will appreciate your trustworthiness. Building trust is essential in any successful relationship. Kindness and empathy. Being kind and empathetic goes a long way in winning over women's hearts. Show genuine care and concern for others, and you'll create a positive reputation that precedes you. Pursue your passions. Having passions and interests outside of dating not only makes you more intriguing, but also demonstrates that you have a fulfilling life. Women are naturally drawn to men with purpose and ambition. Letting women chase you, the art of attraction. With your masculinity embraced and your character developed, you're now ready to put the final piece of the puzzle into place. Letting women chase you. Here's how to make yourself irresistible without lifting a finger. Be a challenge. Women love a challenge. Instead of making yourself readily available at all times, give them something to pursue. It's human nature to value what we have to work for. Maintain mystery. Mystery is a powerful tool of attraction. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep some aspects of your life private, and let women's curiosity drive them to learn more about you. Be unpredictable. Predictability can lead to boredom. Keep women on their toes by being unpredictable in your actions and plans. Surprise them with unexpected gestures or adventures. Respect boundaries. While it's essential to be a challenge, it's equally important to respect women's boundaries. Consent and communication are key. Let women know that their feelings and comfort are a top priority for you. In conclusion, the age-old tradition of chasing after women is not the only path to dating success. So, gentlemen, It's time to flip the script and let women chase after you. Say goodbye to the exhausting chase and hello to a world of dating success on your terms. Now, go out there and embrace your masculinity. Build your character and watch as women can't help but chase after you.